Hi, this is Tim from the latest 3DS games, and I'm here with some more online Mario Tennis Open. And here we go. And I've picked a rather fat dry Bowser. It is very slow on the court. And very loud. So okay, so I'm not doing very well. I'm hoping my serve's better than my player. Well, we've got a point. I played with dry Bowser before. Oh. Oh, that was a poor shot. Oh, and lost easily there. So we're up against Mr. J, who is thrashing me off the court at the moment, but we are gonna change all that now, I think. We're going to play Star Luigi, so let's see what we can do. Oh, terrible start. Oh, what is Luigi doing? And I've given that one away as well. Oh, I thought I should have had that one. Oh, silly me. I'm making the right mess here. Never mind. I've got a 15 left. Oh, I've actually won 2 points on the trot. Oh. Missed that one completely. So it's now 30-all. And 30-40. And game. Okay, never mind. So let's see what we can do. We can do better than that. We can do better than that. Come on. Okay. I didn't like Luigi anyway. I didn't like Luigi. Hi. So what we're going to do is we're going to play as left-handed Luma. Oh dear, maybe that wasn't my best choice, but got that back well, I thought, and that one. And it's certainly pretty nifty around the court, but quite difficult to control. Oh, I'm on a point back. I haven't unlocked Luma yet. Oh, I was a bit unlucky there. Oh, not so unlucky there though. Oh dear, weak serve. So that's 15 15 all. Oh, completely missing my smashes. 15-30. It's only quick across the court. Oh, dearie me. Went the wrong way. Oh, dearie me. So we've lost again, but we won't give up yet. Let's try another new character. Let's try Baby Mario. Right-handed. So here we go. We're up against a tricky boo, so it could be interesting. Deary me. Baby Mario didn't stand a chance there. Speedy, but not too powerful. Pretty difficult to control. Lost the game. Come on. Let's do a bit better than that. That's better. 15 love. That was terrible. 15 all. 15-30. I'm not doing so well here. Deary me. Lost again.